Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a folder shortcut in Canva. This is a great way to access your most important designs and stay organized. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to create a shortcut for a folder, all we need to do is go to Projects. We can find Projects on the left side of the dashboard. Once we see it, we just need to click on it. Here, we will see a plus sign on the right side of the dashboard. All we have to do is click this plus sign, and we will see the folder option. This feature lets us pin or create a shortcut to our most used folders, making it faster and easier to get around. It helps us stay on top of our projects and saves time when working on multiple designs. Now, we just click New Folder. Once we're here, we simply type a name for the folder. For example, this sample folder. We can also add people here to give them access, and we can transfer ownership if needed. When we're ready, we just click Create Folder. Now we can see our new folder. From here, we can add files, drop in a project, or add a design. We can also adjust the settings to suit our needs. And that's how we create a folder shortcut in Canva. With this simple setup, we can keep our workspace organized and find our files much more easily.